Hola, it's Abhi and welcome to AV Systems. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this DIY cat night lamp. So let's get into it. Take a paper napkin and open it up. And then scramble it up. Then take another paper napkin and put it in the middle and just wrap it up like this. And then you have to do the same with 5 more paper napkins. It's on you how smallest or biggest you want it to be. And then take aluminium foil and cover it up. Like this. Now it's time to make the ears. So wrap more aluminum foil around it and shape it like ears. When you are done, wrap it again one last time, and this time you have to do it very perfectly. Now take plastic wrap and wrap it around. And yeah, again you have to do it very perfectly. And to do so, you can use adhesive tape. And here's the main thing, clay. I am using Modena air dry polymer clay. It's basically cold porcelain clay. The reason why I'm using it is that it's waterproof and translucent after drying. No, that's not the real reason. The reason is that I had been having this clay in my fridge since a year and I really wanted to use it. So that's why I'm making this night lamp. So once you have done covering the whole thing with the clay, it's time to let it dry for 24 hours. And when it's completely dry, you have to take the stuffings out. Let me do it very quickly. It's pretty hard to let it out, but yeah, it's fine. And when it's done, take a black marker and draw the eyes and the mouth. Insert any source of light in it to make it glow. Hope you liked it, and if you, then do give like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.